So hey guys, how you doing today? So today I just wanted to show us how to pull off the sexy librarian look. This is one look I die for every time. I can't get over it. So it's cliche of course with the white shirt, but hey, that's what white does for us. And yeah, you could totally go for a pair of pants, okay? For me, color is to be played to your advantage in everything you're doing. Use color to your advantage. So for me, I'm wearing a black skirt here. You could totally go with a black pair of pants. You could go with a blue pair of pants. You could go with any color you want, okay? And well, according to your mood, if you like. And then, okay, go with your white shirt. I will always recommend a white shirt because pulling off the sexy librarian is with a white shirt, I think, for me. You could always have the big puffy sleeves, the balloon sleeves, whatever. Make your skirt pencil. Let it so that it hugs those places you want to be hugged. Okay? Make sure, okay? As pencil as you want it, you go girl. You're the one who's rocking it. And then, of course, an updo, okay? A hair bun would do, an updo, and this beautiful woven piece would perfectly do. Thank you all also for all the compliments I'm getting on the hair. At times I'm like, listen guys, I'm not talking about the hair, I'm talking about something else, and you guys go on about the hair. Then you don't want to miss this crucial part of your sexy librarian look, and that is the glasses. Now, as you all know, frames, big frames, bold frames are all the rage right now, okay? We're in a situation, we are in the colored. I think the funkier the color, the more bizarre the color, the funkier it is. So we've got from dark browns to dark grays to yellows. Just pick your poison, all right? For me, I went for the black because I've always wanted a black. I've actually done the sexy librarian look. I'm going to put in this video somewhere before with an updo. So this is another one with my hair woven, okay? But the librarian always has their square framed glasses. Always is a square framed. Whatever type of square you like, but it's a square frame glass, all right? And yeah, you got that going on, and we cannot fail to conquer the sexy librarian without high heels. Check this out. So the sexy librarian has always got to be in killer heels, as in, guys, the heels they've got to be like dizzying, But attention, attention, I will always recommend, I'll recommend, not everyone can wear stilettos, okay? So I'll always recommend heels that have, the square block heels. I will always recommend that because they give you so much balance. They give you so much to work with, okay? This is one pair of shoes I got at a store here in Nantes. It was during sales and I got it for a steal. Can't remember how much anymore. And I'm looking for the black because, what is black? What is your wardrobe without black shoes, especially, pumps like this. So always think about that. For comfort, you can wear this, for this particular shoes, you can wear this for as long as ever, just because the heels are very, 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 very comfortable. And yeah, that's it for the sexy librarian. Do not fail to wear your jewelry. I think jewelry is the icing on the cake for every look. It could take you from zero to sophisticated in a bit. So I've got here this beautiful turquoise I'm wearing. I've made this before. This is my creation. If you'd like for me to make something for you like this, il suffit de m'envoyer un mail, message, and it is yours, okay? Yeah, so that's what you get to do. I love statement jewelry, so don't be surprised if you see me with more statement jewelry, but this is, for me, this is very statement. This is very, very statement. I also have, on my hands, pair of a ring also I made. I adore things like that. You don't forget your wristwatch. And I've got, you know, a couple of bracelets I made as well. These are all me, okay? This is in pearls, this is in seed beads, and this is also, no, this is not rokai. I can't remember what's the name of this one. These are just round beads, okay? And then you're good to go. No one has to know. Again, you can actually totally rock this in a monochrome. Black all through, blue all through. Pick your poison. But what will always complete your sexy librarian is the glasses. Is the ngobanya. If for those of you who are Igbo, you know now. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you all so much for being here. And I'll see you on my next style video. Bye-bye.